What up, Nick? Excuse me. What up, Nick? Your keyboard's just really loud, Dallas, that's all.
What kind of confirmation you looking for, Paul?
What's up?
What kind of confirmation you looking for on this?
I don't really like trading into this. Ideally, I'd like it to pull back up to here and then enter once we make a new low. Like we normally do. So like once something breaks the low, I want to see something similar to that up here or something kind of like just pull back. Otherwise, if it can close below here, I think that would work because then I think we'll get this wick fill here and maybe come back down to this 4-hour support. So if you look right here, if we can get past these two kind of wicks right here and not retest on this level, I think we're going to head down to this support. But it kind of looks like we had resistance here, we broke out, we're retesting, and now we'll come test this high again. But it's just gonna depend what happens right here. And normally I'm only looking at excuse me, Jesus, at the previous 4 hours, so that would be this one. But on Sunday, it kind of does whatever it wants. So I just want to see what happens here. If we get below here, I think we'll head to here. If we form support here and start to make highs on the 15-minute, maybe after like a bullish 30-minute, I think we'll come back. Yeah, then we'll come back up to here. Yeah, so that's just for Sunday. Every other day I use the previous 4 hour, but on Sundays there's on my MT4. This is actually a bullish 4 hour, and it looks like this. So, yeah. So yeah, we'll just wait. Like I said, if we get below here, I think we got a really nice move to the downside. Looks better on the 30-minute actually too. So yeah, close below there. We'll just run through this because 30-minute is just super clean once we're below here. So
yeah,
yep. Otherwise, we'll wait for a pullback. That's my idea.
All right, perfect. Up 30 pips, just waiting on. Wow, don't come back for a runner.
Yo, happy Sunday.
Easy gang, how you doing?
Yo, what up?
Yeah, easy man, yeah, not bad.
Did anyone else get in on that sell?
No.
Sitting
Spread.
at 128.34.
Nice.
Now, if you look at it on the 1 hour, hold on. You can switch to the 1 hour time frame real quick.
Yep.
It did here's what's different on mine. On my MT4,
Mm-hmm.
it did that same thing. Like, if you look at it, it's two bullish candles going up. Then the third candle closed bearish, continuing the trend, and it took out the previous two bullish. So that's just a pattern I'd love to go after. So
It looks
you
good.
see, like a bunch of big bearish candles going to the left.
Mm-hmm.
And you got, well, on yours it's three, so three bullish candles that didn't take out the previous bearish ones, and then one big candle to take out the previous bullish. So that's always been a good confirmation for me.
So kind of the same thing with this one. Bullish, come back bearish, and then take those candles out and go up.
Exactly.
Yep. God. What up, John? I'm doing good. Just a little stuffy as usual.
Morning.
Yo.
Easy.
Yeah, spreads are at 4 for me, so I don't know how much better we'll get for Asian session, but I think we can get a little better. Yo, Zach, you got a lot of background noise coming from your mic, just so you know.
Myself. That should be better.
Yeah, so this level is going to be real important.
Hey Zach, do you mind putting your mic on mute just whilst you're not talking because there's like some background noise?
Jesus. This thing's moving. What up, Hayden? Yeah, John, that's kind of what I'm looking for. What up, Jeffrey? What up, Dom? Yep, I'm looking for sales too. I don't even think the broker's awake or open yet for LMFX. What up, Khalil? What up, Evan?
Hey Paul, what's up, Paul?
Hey, man, what's up?
Good man. Jamaican, you know.
I think it was too early to take a buy on GJ, especially with how strong these candles are moving. So if it gets below here, it's got plenty of room to come down. Even just looking at the 4 hour, we can come down to here. Maybe even get this wick. Yeah, close right on it. Yeah, I think you got in too early, Rolly. You anticipated too much. I think you should have waited for something better. Either a new high to form, or at least a bullish candle close, something like that. I literally cannot. It's been like 4 months that I can just not, and my throat will never get clear. Had the corona for 4 months already, apparently.
Man, I had something similar, bro. I got kids, so I caught a bacterial infection with a viral one.
Ooh,
Oh my god, I had to go to A&E, man.
that's not good.
Yeah, that was the thing, and just happened. I mean, it's nothing you can do.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I don't
So
feel sick or anything, so I don't think I'm sick. I think it's just the supplements and the food and the cardio I was doing.
The dick?
Yeah, that's what it is. And booted. Yeah. You buy red candles, sell green candles? Yeah, I would. I wouldn't advise that. But if you're making money, do whatever you want. There's no right way to do anything. That's like saying there's a right way to live your life. It's not a thing. Do I consume dairy? Yeah, I have a little bit of dairy. I do think I might be partially lactose intolerant because I get really bad stomach aches and gas pains when I eat any kind of dairy. So that could definitely be it because my dairy consumption's been a lot higher than normal lately, and I've been way more congested than normal as well. I'm gonna try that tomorrow, Orgo, and see how that works. See if that helps. I'd only sell after price moves below the wicks. Yep, so yeah, basically once it makes a new low, but it's not just anywhere. So it has to be in whatever area I'm interested in. Okay, what up, Eric? Destroyed some pizza. Enter once price breaks below these wicks. Yep, you could do that. I would like to, since it's Sunday, I'd like to be more caution on cautious on Sundays because the direction's not super perfect for me with the 4-hour thing I do. So I'm waiting for it to close below here and then kind of make a new low below, preferably below these wicks and whatever wick is over here, to then kind of target this wick maybe deeper is what I'm thinking. But I'm not going to put a pending down here just because it's Sunday. I'd rather wait for a better opportunity, because if it does wick below and then come back up, because this 4-hour level is going to hold and then take us back up, that I'm going to want to know that before I make a full decision. Because if we're going to come down from this level, these candles should all stay below the previous. So, yeah, now this hourly hit here. So if this hourly goes bullish, we're probably going to get some nice buys back up on the higher time frame. Like I said, we broke above, kind of retesting possibly to go back up, or we're just breaking down. So we'll see what happens.
Paul, what's your general bias for the JPY?
For Sunday, there really isn't one. I'm just trying to take the best opportunity. Because the 4-hour candle on my MT4 is always really messed up on Sundays when the market opens. So I just try to find the most intelligent trade I can. So, but like I said, if we get below here, I'm cool with sells. If we stay above and start to head up, and we get like a 30-minute bullish or something, then I think some buys would make sense as well.
I still think that overall bias is going to be bearish for like.
Yeah, it looks like it for sure. I agree.
Just the way that hourly closed on my MT4, it looks like it's been bearish for a while.
Yeah. What up, Doug? After that big movement, would be better to wait for to create resistance. Yeah, if you want to, you can. I don't typically wait for support or resistance. I take entries on highs and lows. So, but if you're going to wait for a resistance, it's because price made this low. You're going to wait for a lower high, maybe a retest up here to then come back down. That'd be a perfect trade. So, ideally, I think sells are going to be definitely where the move is at, but it just depends what happens over here. But I think if this thing pulls all the way up and closes bullish, it's probably going to have a better chance to go up. But okay, so the idea is if we close bullish here, we're going to want to make sure the 15-minute is bullish, and then that the next candle makes a higher low and a higher high above the previous to then further that 30-minute move up, which will then move and flip the hourly back up as well. So this hourly close could, if we close below here, I think we're going to head down. If we close bullish or kind of above here or back just like up here anywhere, we're going to see more of an upside than a downside.
Oh damn, that's a major pullback.
So I'm saying this could be an important area. We could run through it.
Yeah, I got a runner going, but damn, just took profit.
Yeah, if it came into that resistance, I would just let it go. Maybe look for a re-entry below it.
Yeah, I gotta start feeling like, well, whatever. I'll just leave my runners running. But...
Yeah, we'll get it. We got plenty of time. We haven't even started yet. To GJ reaction 128.507. Yeah, right in here would be yep, that's why I have this box here, is because I'm interested in what happens up here and what happens down here. So we kind of come down, go up, and then we don't make any new lows, we'll probably head up. Otherwise, if we come up, we could come back down. There's a lot of scenarios right now that I think could happen, but I'm gonna just let it kind of set up for a little bit and then go off of that. But more than likely, an hourly close is gonna be where we are headed. Where did that chat go? That's not good. Oh, there we go.
Boys, I'm off. I'll see you later. And girls, whoever's there.
Alright, bro.
Ciao, bella.
See you later.
Take care. I'm looking at I'm trying to scale in my oil buys, by the way.
On GJ?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so basically I've got shorts going on, but as soon as it's built a support on anything, I'm just taking them up, closing them off in profit, and then just adding buys. And I've calculated the worst case scenario, and I've just set up a few $1,000s just to trade that one trade.
There you go.
Yeah. Alright, boys, take care, and madam, who was that?
Yep.
Take care, see you around.
Ciao, ciao.
So when this 15-minute closes, the next one, if we're going down, should ideally break below here and not break above. Because this candle didn't get above this candle as of yet. So if it doesn't, and we're going to stay coming down, we should respect that again. Target 126.550.
Kind of looking at 127.5.
Yep.
Kind of my first area.
Yep. Kind
Around
of
there.
that wick fill on the left.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's where I was looking.
Yep. I'm thinking there, and then we could probably have a runner down to this 4-hour area, which kind of is like right in here, and then maybe even come fill this 4-hour wick at some point, probably during London.
That super target.
Yep. So we'll see what happens.
I've been trying a new strategy last week. I say new, it's the same strategy, but I've been putting like orders on, like buy limits and sell limits, like halfway between my stop loss. So instead of like risking 2%, I'm risking 1%, and halfway I put another order with the same lot size. I've just done that with the gold. Just tap me in, and now it's doubling my profit. About to hit closing in now.
There you go.
Yeah, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Oh my days, gold is flying.
Gold looks like it's about to go back up to 15. Well, I would say.
Yeah. I mean, I can get out now and I'll be up in total. So in one position 120, and then another one 60, so 180 pips total. Want to cash out now?
Excuse me.
Oh my days.
What up, Edgar?
Hey, Paul.
What's up?
I think GJ is preparing for a pullback.
For a pull up?
Yeah.
Euro yen, Aussie yen.
Yeah, I put an order on sell limit. Where have I put it? 8.6. But right now, I'm just managing gold.
Yeah, this 30-minute close will be interesting. Make sure we close below there.
Definitely.
Yeah, spreads are still nasty though. Jesus. Yeah, my spread's at 5 right now. Yikes.
MB, how long have you lived in Vietnam for in the Da Nang area? We'll have to go. Like, you have to show me the good spots for food.
Start for free at smilebrightfriday.com.
Really? Yo, AG, send me a message. I'll send it to you. You got too many messages to go through. Thinking of maybe taking it once we break above this 15-minute. If it goes below, I'm thinking waiting for the next hourly and then getting in once that wick pulls back is going to be the best, better opportunity if we come down. But I think if we break above this bullish 15 minute, price is going to start to go up from this area. God, that's so annoying. Is good a sell stop in the last 15? Yeah, if you want to sell it once it gets below that 15 minute, that is normally the trade we take. Only issue for me is I don't like this and this. Neither of these candles could close below. So ideally I would want something on the higher time frame, like a 30 minute to close below here, or an hourly to close below here. Because then I would feel better that the 15 minute would then continue through here with the higher time frames, and then our lower lows would kind of make more sense. If you're talking real quiet if someone's talking. My internet connection.
If it closed below that candle in that area, that means it's going to be bearish?
Oh yeah, if it gets below here, I think it's going to continue down. But I'm still going to wait. I would wait for it to close on this one. That's all. Yeah, I mean 30 minute looks like it could just be a wick fill. So I just don't like that it kind of rejected so hard off of here. That's all. But it did get below this bullish one. So actually this is, oh yeah, no. I think waiting for this hourly if we're taking sells. Because then we should close below here, get a wick up, and then get a better entry for taking a new low. Because we're kind of, if we sell here, we're selling the low. We'd be better off waiting for it to come down, pull up, and then selling. Nope, no trade yet, Burns.
How are ya?
Yo, yo.
Ooh.
Yeah, I don't know why YouTube wouldn't show you that.
I got targets here at 126, 460.
Yep.
To the previous.
Kind of where I'm looking at. Eugene, you got a lot of background noise, just so you know.
Sorry about that.
No, you good.
Rough.
Just letting you know. I'm good, Hassan. How are you? I'm good.
Man, I'm not getting notifications these days when you're live. It's bullshit.
Yeah, that's what everyone's been saying. It's kind of weird.
Like, you know how on your YouTube, you just have trading with Paul's going live? It was 29 minutes late because I didn't see it.
Yeah, we'll normally be going live about, I'm thinking like 6 to 6:15 Central Time. But I know Sundays are slower, so I waited a little bit longer, but excuse me. It's so irritating. Yeah, so if this 30 minute bounces off of here, closes bullish, I think we're going to get a nice move to the upside, at least to go retest this level. But, I mean, we got 34 pips. We got plenty of room to scalp a nice trade out. What if we come down? We got plenty of room to come down too, so. Actually, we got way more room to come down than go up.
Are you bullish or bearish?
This level's going to determine that. Yeah, because the 4 hours, really, it's always messed up on Sundays for me, for my broker. So my bias isn't like it is every other day during the week. So. Yeah, if it gets above this one, I'm probably going to take a buy.
The body or the wick?
The wick. But man, spreads are just gross right now.
I mean, spreads have been like that for the past few days, hey? Or for the past week or something.
Yeah, they're normally at like 3 or 4.
They're pretty big candles today.
Yeah, I should be able to get some good pips out of it though. I think this 30 minutes gonna run if it flips. Yeah, and makes a new high. What up, Zoo? You got your trade station set up, Eric? You gotta send a picture, bro. You gotta see what you're rocking with.
Mm.
Oh, jeez. Wow, that put me in a terrible spot, but we are up almost 10 already. Holy shit.
Ooh.
There's 10.
And spreads are 70.
Holy
7
crap,
pips.
that thing took off.
Yeah, 10 of my runners protected.
Yeah, I didn't get to closing time. That was way too quick. Yeah, I was up 11, but wow, that was quick.
I was in that buy.
Nice. Yeah, this thing could have run, I think. I mean, if you look, we just broke the 30-minute. Might hourly flip bullish now, too. With 19 minutes left, this thing could pump. We'll see. We'll see if that happens. Just with the volume that just came in, I feel like we could get something like that. Alright, oh, I'm taking 24. I'm gonna go break even. There's 23. I'm at break even now.
Yeah, I just took my position there. Fucking great, easy.
Oh wow, and it pulled back to 7. Oh Jesus, runner's probably gonna get stopped out, but that was a quick 26 pips.
Oh my god. Yeah, I just came out of 0.5. And it's just literally just turned around straight away. Oh my days.
Yeah, it's probably gonna take me out of break even.
That was...
Yeah, actually, oh shit, the spread might ruin that.
My runner's protecting 10 pips, so
Nice.
it gets taken out of.
Nice. I think this thing's gonna keep going, to be honest.
I got a good entry in the 5 minutes.
Oh my god, spreads 9 pips.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this up. Okay, yeah, so runner got hit at break even. I think once this one closes, it's gonna run up. Damn, that was quick. Wow. Yeah, 128, 349 to 128, 602. And then break even. Damn, that was quick. Send you donations in THC for the signal. Yep. Yeah, if you were calling buys earlier, that was good. It's definitely looking like a buy now. Yeah, damn. $26 pips with an 8 spread. That's insane. Yeah, 4 hours got a ton of room to go to the upside.
My spread on Hugo is 22 pips.
Oof. Yeah, GJ's at 8.
24 pips right now. This is crazy.
Yeah, this thing's a monster. Damn, I should have just let it go and not hung out at broke even till it was a little higher. But wow, yeah, we're closing back above here, so I think we're gonna keep going up. Yeah, look at that hourly. That hourly took everything out. This next 15 could have run. Jesus.
Oh my word.
Wow. Well, that was a good Sunday.
Floating 68 pips on my runner.
There we go, bro. Nice. That was a nice Sunday. That was a good buy. Good call on that, Cats. Wow. Nope, my magic keys are not here yet. Yeah, I told you this is going to be an important level. So look at the 4 hour now. It did exactly what we were kind of drawing. We went up, came down, retested, and now we should pull up and maybe this thing will close bullish. Head up here eventually. So yeah, this is closing back above here. Mm-hmm. Wow.
Holy
I'll
shit.
just trail. I'll
Not
just trail
yet.
it on the. I'll trail my stop on the runner manually, and if it gets taken out, it gets taken out.
Man, I'm a little salty. My runner got taken out. God damn.
Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna lie, you're right. I'm saying sells the whole time, dude. Nice.
To be fair, I wasn't sure on which way it was gonna go. I just knew I thought it was gonna make a reaction at that level. But damn. Apparently breaking the highs was a good good idea. Jesus. So much for shitty analysis, huh?
Press 1 in the chat if you missed the trade.
Yeah, if you missed that one, I think you're going to get some really good opportunity now. This hourly is going to close bullish. 72 pip 5-minute candle.
Can you hear a tap?
Yeah. Make sure you press that like button if you caught some of those pips. I think we're going to end up pushing up around here to then go up.
My runner just got stopped out with 55 pips.
That was a nice trade, bro. Good job. 55. Oof. I'm kind of salty, to be honest, Cats. That was... Man, I shouldn't have went break even on the runner just yet. My spread is sitting at 8 and not moving at all. So it is... There's a ton of volume in the market right now. It's probably because we're coming into open. I would say wait for this hourly to close. And then your best bet is going to be... Because this thing's probably going to close somewhere around here or above here. Holy crap. Or back down here. My broker just lagged. My broker just gapped.
Yeah.
Did anyone else's? So this...
Yeah, same here.
Yeah, mine just
I
gapped
gapped
from
all
here
the
to
way back
here.
down.
Damn. Yeah, if we close back down here, we'll just take a sell down. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, I would wait for this 30-minute and the hourly to close before you take a trade. Yeah, that was weird. Wow. This thing could have been a huge grab to come down. Wow. Hopefully you guys secured profits.
What is this candle?
Damn. Yeah, definitely do not take a sell when we break if it breaks below these candles. Because you just saw we went up 70 and we came back down 70 in a couple minutes. Let this settle down. Definitely don't take any trade. Why does that keep going behind the damn screen? That's freaking... No, it's not there now. Let's go over here. Why is it over here now? This is silly. Spread is 36. Wow. Jay, I explained that twice. I don't know if you were here. Sundays, the rule is a little different on Sundays.
Okay.
Yeah. Because Sunday the 4 hours messed up on the broker, so I just try to get the best opportunity on Sunday. And then starting New York tomorrow, it'll be the normal 4 hour.
Someone got the
bias.
TV on here.
What?
Someone had the TV on.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Yeah, Nairb. I do have the paid version of TradingView. I don't like ads.
I mean, it's the same price as a Netflix membership these days for a month, so
TJ came back off that move almost 100%.
Mm-hmm.
Bunch of flip bearish now.
Yep. When is today? The 22nd? So it should stay above this area. This one should close above there if we're going to go up.
I hope no one FOMO'd in, man. You don't know these people.
Yep, see you later, Mo. Yep, mine gapped, Corey. Yep, nice job, Mary. That was a quick one, to be fair. If you were trading on your phone, I feel like you could have missed it. We've been there. $50 pips on UJ. Nice job. Yeah, that gap was really weird. I think that might have been, I don't know, maybe the broker is starting to open. Yeah, that was... Yep, sounds good, MB. Have a good one, bro. See how this hourly closes. Yeah, spreads are still at 8. Jeez. I don't know if I'm gonna take another one. We took one trade with that high spread. It worked out. I don't know if
I wouldn't take another one until London now. I mean, until New York.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to risk it again in these conditions. Unless it closes bullish above here, then maybe.
To me, definitely sells now because that high wick, or really a gap now.
Now we play the waiting game.
Yep.
And EJ just took a huge dump, and I know GJ and EJ kind of run the same.
EJ dumped to the downside.
Yeah, EJ just literally took a huge dump. But yeah, I was looking for entry on it, but I didn't like the way it was setting up.
Yeah, now we're getting the yen strength kicking in.
Yep, with open coming in.
Yeah, I'm still in my gold buys, so I'm hoping that will just push up now with it in the next 5 minutes.
Gold bars.
Yeah, gold buys, I've got 2 positions open. So one from 14.932 and 14.91. I had a limit on that one, a buy limit.
Nice.
So yeah, it's bubbling nicely. And if this next 15 closes above these wicks that are formed, I'm looking to maybe add another position, but 1/4 of the size, just to try.
How's your
EJ 30 minute looks like it'll close strong bearish.
Yeah, I was checking out EJ, but that's just one hell of a stop loss. And I didn't like the setup on the 15 or the 30, so I just skipped it.
Or you could trade that GJ pin bar with a very small stop loss.
Which one? Damn, we don't even break 150 anymore. Where did everyone go? We don't even break 200 anymore.
But a close below the support would be better.
Paul, you need to contact YouTube about the whole notification thing. I think that's what's affecting it.
You think so?
I can definitely vouch for that, because I have to go in manually and look for it. Sometimes it sends me I've got notifications set up on my phone, and sometimes that doesn't happen. As well as on my subscription feed, if I refresh it, normally it used to be there, now it's not there. I have to manually go to your profile and go to everything.
Gotcha. Thanks, Argo. Have a good night, bro. Yeah, I'll contact them after this. That's weird. We were almost breaking 300 now. We can't even get over 150.
I'd agree with it being the notification thing, because whenever I used to open my mobile on YouTube, basically if you were streaming, it would show up, and it just hasn't been showing up. So basically, all those people that are just on YouTube during this time, it would just pop up, but now it seems like it's not, so it's probably a huge part.
Gotcha. I'm not looking into that. That's weird that it would just disappear like that.
Could be a change in YouTube's algorithm or something.
Yeah, could be something on their end that I didn't even, because I know I didn't change any settings, but
No, YouTube has stated that things are going to be changing, and they're going to be doing more automated things, and they're going to be cutting up. They're going to be taking up videos automated. They announced that last week.
Yeah, like I'm thinking if this if this next candle breaks below here, like, what are we gonna put a stop loss up here? It's closing bullish, so it looks like we could still go up. Look, looks like we could still go up.
Fifteen, 14 seconds. That candle was actually dirty.
Yeah, we closed bullish on the 30 though.
Look for sales here.
Yeah, I'm thinking if it gets below here on a 30-minute, put the stop at this candle. If it breaks below there, it'll probably go. It broke. I just don't know if I trust it.
Just waiting.
Yeah, I think I'll just wait on
Over
it.
to the left, you have a few candles.
Because we're still tapping into there. And the hourly's bullish, so maybe waiting for the hourly low would be best. Because if we get below that hourly, then we should head down. Yeah, we'll wait on it. Because we could head up. The spreads are still just nasty though.
Yeah, I'm not liking these spreads.
What up, Ali? EJ sells Hayden. Alright, let's check it out while we wait.
Oh, they're milking it. My GJ spreads went back to 10.
Yeah, mine are still just pumped out at 8. Like not even moving. Normally they kind of fluctuate. It's not even moving. It's just stuck at 8. Entered when it broke past these candles. Look at that. Beautiful trade. Momentum kind of to the downside, it looks like. Looks good to me, Hayden. That was a nice one. You've been killing it lately with that low-high strategy. Yeah, so this was a really good 4-hour level. So the idea was if we couldn't get below here, we would head up to probably here, and then this actually just gave a bunch of extra pips. So if all these candles made lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, so and it closed bullish, so that thought was if it got above here, it was going to head back up to here and then have a reaction from this level. But if it was going to head down, it should have broke through here and not above here. Was the idea.
Man, EJ was such a nice setup.
What'd it do?
Not nice setup, nice drop. It was a nice drop. I just didn't see the way it was setting up. I didn't really like it. I forgot because I switched back to the 15-minute on EJ.
Mm-hmm.
It was kind of messy, but then it just like took an aggressive breakout. So now I'm waiting on GJ to break that low, and I might take stuff.
Yeah, if it gets below here, I think it's gonna drop real nice.
That's what I'm waiting on. I got it marked up the same way.
Yeah, if it gets below here, I'll probably take it and put a stop loss above the candle that does it. Because above here is way too big. Because if you look at the hourly, if we break below here, we shouldn't return. So, but this hourly did close above here. This one already kind of tapped into there and pushed up. So we could head up and see a wick fill.
Exactly. We'll see what happens.
Mm-hmm.
It's back in that key zone again, but now it's got that bottom support, so it might just range, but either way, we'll see.
That was a real quick 50 pips. What up, Java? You're bullish? Yeah. Yeah, buys were just pretty nice, and then it came all the way back. That's crazy. Spreads didn't go down though. Our market's open now. It's 7 o'clock, right? Yeah. Huh.
If it could just close like this, exactly how it is, I'd buy that once it broke it.
Yeah, I'm thinking if it was bearish, if it closes kind of weak bear. If it closes kind of, geez, can you mute your mic? If it closes kind of weak bearish and then we break above, I think that would be even better.
Mm.
Yeah. We'll see. It could be a sideways day. But spreads are just literally just stuck at 8.
Whoa, that's crazy. I'm sitting at 3, which is higher than usual, like double, but damn, 8's a little excessive.
Yeah, it finally moved off at 8 now. Normally it like fluctuates, like 1, 2, maybe 3, but it's just steady.
Get these things going.
Yeah, this could just be a wick fill. UJ. Yeah, that looks good. Make sure you get a new high on the candle you enter on is what I would look for to make sure it's going to continue. Spreads came down for me a little bit. They're back to like 3 and 4 now. There you go, Yvonne. Nice job. Close the charts.
Alright, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm heading out.
All right, bro. Sounds good.
See you, brother.
See you later. All right, we closed bearish, so we should we should stay below this wick. If we get above, we're probably gonna go get that wick fill, and then head up to here, maybe even higher. Oh man, that's a big stop.
We get a big stop for the sells.
Buys.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, if it gets above that 15, I think it'll go up.
15. Which one are you looking at? Like which? Oh, I guess that's like a doji.
Yeah, the most recent one.
Oh, gotcha, gotcha.
Salam.
Like I said, it's got to get above. So if it can't, then I think we're gonna head down. But
The spread is kind of going down just a little bit.
yeah, it's not 8 anymore. I like to trade what I see. But for when I'm trying to pick a target, I just pick the next area, and if it gets past that, I mark up that second area we could head to. Because you don't know where it's going to head to, but it's always good to have a plan. In case it does happen, then you know how to react. You don't have to think and plan while it's happening, you already have a plan. But my entries are based on what happens. Targets are kind of hypothetical, you could say. But I would say they're still intelligent targets. You gonna sell someone? Ooh, nice. Mm-hmm. Looks good. Looks good.
Wait, was that chart a sell all the way from the top?
Yeah, he got in up here.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Genius. Genius.
That was a good one, Zalman. I think if we break this previous 15-minute low, it's going to continue down. Yeah, I think if we get below here, that'll be the low that the 30-minute made in the first 15 minutes. also the low of the hourly, but we did break here on the 30 minute. At MT4 it did the same. So if it continues, it will probably continue down, or it's going to go up. We'll see. Yeah, I think that 30 minute wick fill is real possible.
Are we looking fellas?
It's getting close.
Yeah, well, my trades are, well, my gold trades look pretty swell now.
Nice.
Pretty
Waiting
snazzy.
on these buys on GJ if it goes up.
I'm also in buys in another pair, but I can't talk about it.
Why not?
Because you told me not to.
No, you can talk about it. I just said not to just say like the end result, you know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took a GU buy off the 5 minute.
Nice.
And it's pretty much almost at TP now.
There you go. Yeah, you can talk about that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting there. And there we go. Is it going to place my trade? There we go. We'll see what happens. And I put stop loss down here just to be safe.
Oh.
Gold's about to fly.
Yeah, that spread really put me in at a not so super good spot. We'll see. I think the 30 minutes should close bullish if it doesn't push up before. See. Yep. Yeah, so the idea for this for me is this 30-minute wick fill. Because then I think that's where the 4-hour wants to go. So we'll see.
So Tim, I was in gold buys from earlier. So that's the reason why. So that's what was it on the 15-minute? I sent a chart earlier. So that's why.
Yep. Gotcha. You're good.
TP on the GU.
How do you partial close on a desktop?
Come on, GJ, run.
Nick explained it last week.
You partial close by double clicking on the order, and once you do that, go to market execution. On the very top, you'll see volume. Change the volume to whatever you want to subtract from your current order, and then close it.
Oh.
Ooh.
I'm gonna wait on this one. I still think like this 30-minute might close bullish, but the next one might close bearish and break below. That's why I didn't take the buys, but
Gotcha.
we'll still see what happens.
Yeah, like I said, I'm anticipating this wick fill just because it broke above
Right.
both of these. So if it gets 75% of the way, I'm going to be break even anyways. And then we'll go from there. The 5 minutes kind of at like a resistance, it seems. But it did make a high above the previous, so hopefully it'll continue up. Spreads are calmed down a little bit. They're kind of at like 3.5. So I think we can get like a 50%, 70% wick fill on this, if not the whole thing, to then continue. But we will see. Hopefully we get a nice 15-minute close, and then get a nice move to the upside. Excuse me. God, that's so annoying. I hate that I do that all the time. There you go, Ross. Nice job. Caught 6. Yeah, I'm pretty much sitting at Like minus a pip still. Because of spread. Damn. Bullish one pulled back on me. I thought gold was always a buy. That's what everyone says.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we pushed up a little bit. There we go, GJ.
New 15.
So I'm going to trail this stop up below here. Oh, is that a 30-minute close too? Oh, wow, that was a nice 30-minute close too. Ooh. Yeah, it should stay above the 15-minute. So there's this one bearish 5-minute candle, at least on my end, where it kind of gapped. So I'm thinking if we can get above that, we're going to get a really good move.
Yeah, I see that one, Paul.
Yeah, I think if we get above that one, we'll get a good little move. But it looks like the 4 hours back, pulling back again. So it could be coming up as hourly bullish. Yeah, hourly's still bullish. Plus this previous hourly is bullish. Let me see what it looks like on MT4. Yeah, that's bullish as well. So we'll see. I think it makes sense. Jesus.
Hopefully that was just the bottom of its 380.
So yeah, I modified the stop loss and we'll see what happens. Might be a little tight, but since it's the second trade and I risked a little bit of that profit, I'm gonna play it a little safer. But it didn't break the low of the previous 5 minutes, so that's good. As long as we don't break, as long as we keep making higher lows on the 5 minute, we should be good. As long as we can head up as well, obviously. What up, Skeeta? Yep, that would be Ash trading gold. Because if it wicks down below this previous 15 minute and then comes back up, I feel like it's going to just range around. And then that's just going to not be something we want to be in anyway. If it looks like a bad trade, you just probably shouldn't be in it. That's all. It's the same trade we take every day, all week. So. It fit my plan, so I took it. I drank all my liquids.
Gold is now on its way. It's hit my first TP and just pumping.
Pumping up or down?
Up, up, up.
Oof. That could be bad. Rejecting 21
it's just broken loads of highs there, so should continue up now.
Rejecting the 21 EMA from the top or the bottom, Java? What up, Amray? How's it going, bro? You're in this one, right, Dallas, you said?
Yeah, I'm in this one.
Okay. Where you got your stop at? What are you rocking it at?
What's my entry?
No, where'd you put your stop at?
I had it below...
the 30 or the 15?
I had it below here, but now I have it below here, kind of like you.
Okay. I was just curious on what you were thinking.
Yeah.
Upside? Okay. Yeah, I don't use EMAs, but I mean, I guess that's hopefully a good thing. Like I said, as long as we can stay above and keep making higher highs and higher lows, if this one gets below this bullish one, I have a feeling it's going to just move sideways. But we had some really good volume in the beginning. We got this nice 30-minute wick. So I'm thinking we could get a fill.
Is Asia's session open?
Is it what?
Is it open, the Asian session?
Is it over?
23 minutes.
No, I don't think it's over. It just started 37 minutes ago. Oh wow, that thing's pumping up now. That 5-minute had me a little worried. I thought we were gonna. Oh, and it comes right back. I spoke too soon.
Classic GJ.
Oh,
Damn it, Paul. Why do you speak so soon?
I know. I thought it was. I'm gonna just be quiet.
I reckon if I see break even here, I'm gonna close half my position. I don't want to be.
Are you giving your SL the gap I mentioned? Well, the gap happened it wasn't even a gap. It was just a candle error, it looks like. So there's no big bearish one here. It's just this bullish one and then a bearish one down here. So all I have is this bullish one standing here. It wasn't really a gap, like I said, just kind of like a glitch, maybe. Something like that. But my stop loss is below the previous 15-minute. So originally when I entered, I calculated my risk with my stop loss down here. So my risk is calculated at 1% with a 40% stop loss. So it's not a lot size I typically would use. But I'm not going to go taking a normal stop or a normal lot size with 5 to 8 pip with the 40 pip stop. So now that this is at 28, I am risking a lot less, and this thing could pump up pretty hopefully pretty good. If we can get above this previous 5-minute bearish candle, kind of I'm thinking if we can get above here, I think we should head up. But yeah, my risk is already minimized a crazy amount. So, but lot sizes are not normal because of stop losses. Because everything last week was like at least a 20 pip stop loss. At least. I think it was between like 20 and 40 for my stop losses. So, ooh, she's moving now. There's 8, 10. There we go. I think it's going to go fill that wick.
I don't know if it'll fill the wick completely, just because it could be forming like a wedge, if that makes sense. So it might just come just below it. So, where would it be? So I might take partials around maybe like 12878 area.
128. Yeah, I'm probably gonna I'm gonna close about 20, and then let it kind of go up to about 50 pips.
Paul.
Yep.
How do I see my trades? I closed it, but how do I see it?
Just look on your phone.
Oh, okay. You can't see it on the computer.
If you click, go to view and then go to terminal, and then click trades or account history. It'll be one of those two.
Gotcha. Thanks.
Yep.
Yeah, I closed half at a bit of profit.
Yeah, it's pulling back a little bit now. I'm not going break even right at 10, because 10 pips happen so quickly now. So I'm kind of targeting upwards of like 15 to 20 pips now, just because the stop loss was so big. I'm trying to, it's easier to get more pips, so I'm letting my trades go a little bit further to compensate for that. I'm gonna go grab some more liquid.
Trading form will fucking confuse us instead of the telephone is where it's at. Boys.
Who is it? Oh, it's them still? He gets it completely pink.
I'm the Wolf of Wall Street.
What did you say?
I'm the Wolf of Wall Street.
You are the Wolf of Wall Street?
Yes.
I believe that.
Thank you. This is why I love these boys. They always got my back.
You know what they should call Paul? They should call him the Canine of Forex.
Yeah. Or he could be the Robin Hood.
Yeah, that too.
I'll be the Chinese rip-off version.
The Vietnamese made one.
Yeah, man. Honestly, it's so good out here. I'm having
Did
time
you
of my
take
life.
profits on gold? Or?
Yeah. I took profits and so I took
Stopped
profits
without
at...
break?
No, it hasn't stopped me out just yet. So I took profits at 14.99, and then got one trade running at 1493.2. So it's not stopped me out. It almost did, but no, still running. Still running. But I have faith it will keep on pumping just from the. If you look at the 15-minute, it just looks like it's closed higher, higher, higher. So it's probably just now just getting a bit of liquidity before that next big pump.
It's really struggling at this like 128,570 area. It looks like.
Oh, did you hear what your new nickname is now?
What?
The K9 of Forex.
K9.
Instead of the Wolf of Wall Street, it's K9 of Forex.
That's my nickname. Is that good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Very
well,
good.
Hopefully we can win this trade and it'll stand true.
Are you still in it?
Yeah, I'm still in it. Yeah, I mean, I wish it would have closed bullish, but yeah, I mean, we made a higher high and a higher low, so maybe it's just kind of, I don't know. I think the odds are, the probability is on our side, so we'll just anticipate this to break above. I mean, 5-minute closed with no bottom wick on MT4, and above the support still. But yeah, this one closed above, this one closed back below, so that could be a fake out, but still 5-minute time frame is just moving sideways right now. So we'll see. If we get below here, I'm probably going to close like almost half. You just sold again. There you go. Yeah, it could go down, but it fit my rules to go up, so I'm going to just anticipate it to keep going up.
Does anybody remember the Nintendo Wii?
Yeah.
That was a fun console while it lasted.
Coffee time. Here you go, Doug. Go get some coffee. Yeah, it did kind of tap into this resistance, but it pushed off of here so hard, I feel like we should head up. Hourly's pulling back a little bit.
If I see break even here, I'm probably going to exit the trade.
Yeah, I got one of my stop losses set right here. Just in case. I don't think the trade's bad. It was good when we started it. It's just not forming ideally. That's all. It's not going to be the perfect trade every time.
Range.
Yeah, I'm thinking it could If it breaks a low here, I'm thinking it could just range, and then I don't really want to be in it anyways. So, but my risk was already minimized a ton.
Yeah, as we know in Asia as well, it's typically like a one pump jump.
Yep. Yeah, we might have caught the first pump. It was inching up so nice. I thought that one bullish 5 minute was going to take it. You know, 5 minute close bearish below that support there. Yuck. Could be a fake out again. We had 3 5 minute fake outs in a row. Who knows? Yep, yeah, Jeff, we caught that first buy right here. So just same biases, take it up. So we'll see what happens. I think if it does push up and it gets back to break even, I'm going to close one of them just in case.
Yes,
in case it wicks up and then comes back down.
I already closed half in profit, a little bit on that
Nice.
spike up.
Yeah, I was going to close it. It barely got to 10 pips, and it was just about past everything. I figured it was going to run, so I didn't do anything with it yet. If it doesn't play out, then the wick fill obviously did not happen. Oh, 5 minute might break the previous. Uh-oh, are we going to go up? Yep, yeah, Jeff. Second trade. First one was real quick. Spreads were a little nasty. Spreads were real nasty, actually. Not going to sugarcoat it. They're still pretty nasty, to be fair. Yep, see you tomorrow, Evan. Have a good one, bro. We'll be calling it here soonish. Hopefully this one will go into profit and we can call it on a good note.
Yeah, well, we had one good trade, and if we're just using profit from that one, we'll be up for the day no matter what.
Yep, yeah, first one was good. I dropped the risk on the second one, and it's already been dropped twice after that, so we'll see. I think if we get above this previous 5 minute, we could see this 15 minute break above that previous. We'll see. It could have just needed more orders to then push up higher, hopefully. So we'll see. Because yeah, if this thing closes bullish, then I think we're still going to be heading up.
Oh, broke the 5.
Yep, broke the 5, yep. See you later, Independent. Thanks for coming, man. Well, this thing's trying to push to the top now, it looks like. We'll see.
Closed another small position here, letting the rest ride now.
There you go. Yeah, I'm still minus 3 pips. With the spread.
Hey G, how's things in Brisbane with the whole? Because I know people in Melbourne, they're all my mates are like screwed with like jobs and rent and things.
You want to insult me, Ash? I'm in Perth, brother. In Perth.
Oh, sorry, I talked to a few people from Australia.
No,
What's it like in Perth? Perth's always quiet anyway. But yeah, what's it like in Perth?
If we're talking about the shocks and stuff, it's pretty abysmal. People are losing jobs and shit. It's rough, it's tough, but I think we're doing better than the eastern states.
Yeah, I think I read the other day. I think Victoria's in lockdown.
Yeah, well, that's what's scary. I think they're not even allowed to go to school. And the PM was saying that does not mean I want to see kids in shopping centres. Does not mean I want to.
Yeah, he's been in for a while now. I think that's the longest Prime Minister you've had for a while, eh?
ScoMo.
yeah.
I'm not gonna. I think GJ might go up because EJ just blasted off, man.
Yeah, it's got to get above that previous 15-minute, but the 5-minute closed bullish above the previous, so maybe I got my stops up here now.
Yeah, usually EJ and GJ fluctuate. Like one will make a move, the other will lag and then fall right behind. So.
So did we just get an early signal? I think that's what that is. Hopefully this 5-minute will continue up.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I'm hoping this 5-minute.
EJ's been hard to track as far as his moves, but jeez.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. If, like I said, if this thing can get above here, I think it's going to get that wick fill.
Yeah, if it breaks this previous 15,
yeah,
like pretty good, then I'll get in for a buy.
Because like my thing is, I feel like we shouldn't have broke above here to then come back down. You know what I mean? I feel like the odds are still to the upside. But it did kind of tap into this level, so we do need to get above for sure. So we'll see. Hopefully we can do it.
Look at this bullshit pandemic.
You said EJ just took off to the upside? Yannick, you said EJ went up?
Oh, yeah. EJ just blasted off like how many pips?
Yeah. Well, hopefully the pound is strong.
50 pips.
Damn. Hopefully the pound is strong enough to do it. Nope, no, Jeff. I normally just take one. But I don't know why I took 2 today, to be honest. I just felt good with the trade. And it was a 30-minute wick fill, so I felt like we had a good probability of winning it, so we'll see. Obviously it doesn't look that way now, but when we took the trade, it looked really good.
Gold's pumping again.
The what's pumping again?
Gold.
Oh, hopefully down.
No.
Yeah, GJ's just kind of ranging really ugly on the 5-minute. I mean, it looked real good when we got it in it, to be fair. I thought it did.
I thought so too.
I feel like these support levels we've got and stuff, they're pretty good, and it's just ranging in the middle. No man's land.
I mean, we got a better stop loss now, so we definitely managed it really well, which will be good because if we lose this one, we'll still be. It won't have messed us up for the whole week. Yeah, I think if we lose this one, I'll have lost less than 0.5%. But hopefully we can win it. Yeah, I think it's real indecisive right now. Excuse me. Yeah, it's like these bullish 5-minute candles just are not doing anything. Yeah, there it goes.
Oh, man.
Damn.
Are you still in it?
Yeah, it didn't hit yet. Now it hit.
Oh, man.
There it goes. That was shitty. Yeah, I don't think the hourly looks like anything. The hourly looks messy. The hourly closed like a doji, so I think if the hourly breaks below here, it'll probably head down. But it's still closing above here. Yeah, this thing's going sideways.
Get
Look at
wicked
that.
out.
Yep, it wicked me out. It's gonna go sideways. What a fucking bitch. Yep. Well, oh well. I didn't wanna. I don't want to sit through it in this drawdown anyway down here.
So,
Yeah, this hourly's gonna probably close bullish. Maybe. Very weak bearish. Yeah, that was unfortunate. Oh well, 1 for 1. This thing's going sideways now, figures. Got it right there. We brought our stop loss up to there. Oh.
I managed to stay in the trade here, so if I get a good chance to exit, I will.
Yeah, GJ looks better for going down now.
Yeah, now it does.
Wait at the 30-minute close.
Yeah, 30-minute looks like it was just a fake out to the upside. Yep, yeah.
Yeah, right now the spread's at 8. I don't know if I want to. So I kind of want to enter, but not with an 8 spread.
So I'm going to put the stop loss where we got hit. So yeah, we entered with a 40 pip stop, got taken out with about 20. So that's a win in my book, because I think one position that hits take profit at like 10 or 15 pips will bring back all of that.
Yep, I'm out. I managed to exit here.
Yep, I'm done.
No, that's good for me.
I lost $35 on the trade. Bullshit.
Yeah, I just got taken out break even on gold. It just dumped.
Yeah, watch GJ fly now.
Boys, I think that's me done.
Mhm.
Which is good. Make sure everyone likes the video, please, and take care, Paul and the boys.
Ciao, ciao.
Yep, see you later. Dun, 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 dun. I cut it a little more than just in half.
Yeah, technically the hourly is still making lower highs. Which is nice. I mean, I think sells are better. It's got like 40 pips to go to break that low.
I think it's going to break this high and go up.
Coming midway.
Just got a GA trade. It's taking off right now. I'm up 30 pips.
Here you go.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that just looks like crap. Yep, I like price action. Who's working on a course? Yeah, these spreads are still, mine are at 5 still. They're still wild. I don't know if is that to me, Jeff? About a course? I'm gonna close this MT4. Man, what is EJ doing? And gold came down. Oh, Dallas, you got 10 on that?
I did, yeah.
No, yeah, mine hit 10. I didn't do anything about it.
Yeah, I exited right when it, like even on trading view, like when I adjusted like the green part, you know, sometimes you adjust it and it tracks with the candle. Like when I adjusted it to where I exited, it's like on trading view it didn't even hit it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think I got out at the very tip top and then it shut down again. And my entry was annoying though because of the spread. Could have had maybe 3 more pips if it was normal.
Yeah, spread was normal. We would have got like 15. Yeah, I'm missing the 2 I took. Yep, thanks for coming, Dan. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hey, Paul, see you tomorrow, man.
Yep, see you tomorrow, bro.
Honestly, I'm still waiting on a good setup for a sell. That's what I've been waiting on. So, depending on what this next 15 does, if it doesn't break that support you have down there, then I'll just end it for the night. Because the spread just got crazy again, too.
It did? I think we're going
Yeah,
up.
on mine, yeah, I don't know. Oh.
I think it's going up to fill that wick.
Depending on how this 15 closes then. Because I don't think it should have pushed up this. Oh, no, there he goes, pulling back. Depending on how the next 15 closes, decide what I do.
Yeah. I would definitely wait for it to do something above or below this area. I explained why we took the buy. We took the buy because the first 15 minute of the hourly kind of made its wick and closed bearish. So if that were the case, this one should have stayed below here, and we should have continued down below this area, down to this wick, maybe even down to this 4-hour area. But we didn't. We broke above this candle. And with the 30 minute, how it closed like that with a wick fill, I was just anticipating it to fill that wick and then head up to here. So then this one pushed above, pushed up. This one made another little top wick, tapped into this area, and this area held, and now it's going to move sideways. That's all. Trade in 30 minute, broke the zone and pulled back. Yeah, but the idea was based on this 30 minute wick getting filled. So didn't play out, that's all. But we managed it really well actually. I'm happy with that. I'm more happy with the fact that we were able to go from almost a 50 pip stop to under a 20 pip stop. Instead of taking a full stop loss hit. But I think I'm gonna head off. This thing's just gonna move sideways, and everyone else already kind of bailed, so I'm going to call it a night. We'll be back tomorrow. I'm thinking probably around 6:15 Central Time. We'll be live. I gotta change that down here, but we will see you guys tomorrow.